and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining, welcome and welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. Now I'm sure you guys are thinking, ZeeX, we've seen this face beat, we've seen this hair, we've seen this outfit before. And it is because I obviously filmed this in between filming my chit chat get ready with me. If you guys haven't seen that already, please go ahead and check it out. But in this video I'll be showing you guys how I actually laid this hair. I absolutely love it. It is hair that I got from Celie hair. I have actually worked with them before and I loved their hair back then and I still love it now. So I decided that let me actually go ahead and show you guys a review of their water wave hair. What I will be showing you guys is the install of this hair, and then I will also be showing you guys how I get this wet look without having my hair be wet. So if you guys are interested in finding out how I do that, please go ahead and carry on watching. Please also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, become a part of the family if you haven't joined already, and let's get straight into this video. Okay, so before we get into the install, as well as me showing you guys how I get this look on my water wave hair, I just want to give you guys the specs on this hair. This is a 24-inch 13x6 water wave wig. I got it as a wig, I didn't get it in bundles, and it is from Celie hair, as I've already told you guys. The hair comes with 13x6 frontal, which means that the frontal pretty much ends like back here, which is great because you can part it in all different types of ways. This hair is beautiful, as you guys can see. I did have to pluck it myself, I did bleach the knots myself as well. But besides for that, I feel like it's a very low maintenance wig as well, especially if you do go ahead and sew in an elastic in the back. You're really not gonna have to do that much to get this hair to look bomb in the morning, which is something that I really do appreciate in a wig, and I'm sure that a lot of you guys are looking for as well, because nobody wants to sit for 500 hours in the morning trying to fix their wig. We're just trying to put it on. So yeah, definitely go ahead and watch this video to see how I go ahead and style the hair. The quality of the hair is beautiful. I absolutely love it. It doesn't have a lot of shedding, especially before you bleach it. It doesn't have a lot of shedding, and even after you bleach the knots, the shedding is very minimal, which I really do appreciate in a wig, especially one that does have a bit of a curl or a bit of a wave. So I definitely do recommend this hair to you guys. Do carry on watching if you guys would like to see the install as well as how we got this look.
What's up, guys? As you guys can see, first things first, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this hair before I actually proceed to show you guys how I style the hair and give it that wet look. You guys will also probably remember this wig from my Bacardi vlog. If you guys haven't watched that, please go ahead and watch it, because you'll be able to see how it looks when I have rocked it for pretty much the whole day. I wore it the whole weekend actually, so you'll be able to see it in its very natural habitat or state. Let me rather say it made no sense, but anyways, as you guys can see right now, I'm going to start off by putting some of my black got2b glue gel on my edges. Now I like to use the black one for edges. I use the spray, as you guys know, for my installs if it's more of like a quick install, and then you guys will see how I use the yellow one. The yellow one I feel is the strongest. So as you guys will see now, I'm just going to be doing my normal method of the quick install and use my spray, my blasting free spray, for the front part of my wig, and then you guys will see that I again use my blow dryer on the cold setting in order to actually make sure the wig stays on. Again, as I said, if you are wanting your wig to stay on for a little bit longer, I would suggest that you use the yellow one. I'm a baller, and if I get your phone number, I'ma call you, and we can meet up the next day and chill. But I'm always on the road, baby girl, that's how I live. I got bills to pay, I got moves to make. Now, as you guys can see, for the side flaps or the ear tabs of the wig, I am going to be applying the yellow glue, and this is just because the ear tabs, I feel like, are always the part of the wig that I feel like tends to lift first. So that is why I have now started applying the more strong glue or the stronger glue to my ear tabs. That is just something that I've started doing more recently. The old method is still fine, but of course, if you want that extra hold, do go ahead and use your yellow glue on the ear tabs. They say Now for the styling, as you guys know, when it comes to curly hair, water, or not even curly, let's just say wavy hair, water is key, and this is no different for this hair. You need to put quite a bit of water in it, and as you put the water in, you will see the hair starts to go back to its natural form, and that is how you know it is good hair. If you're putting water in your hair, guys, and it is still staying crackrum, you must just know that the hair is the ghetto.
Bust down, bust it, bust down on the oh. Bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the cat. Slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it.
Next up, I'm going to be adding some of my foam. I will put the link or give the name in the description box below, so do check it out. This is what I use to sort of hold my hair in place. I feel like this is the most important part of this whole sort of look, because if you don't have a foam, your hair really is not going to stay in place and it's going to frizz up, especially now when it's, you know, more on the warmer side. So definitely do not skip this step. After that, you guys will see I'm defining my parting using some concealer. You can use really any concealer, but I would recommend you use one that is quite close to your skin tone, or else you're going to look crazy. You guys can also see that I am plucking the hair, not the hairline, the parting, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And again, you guys are seeing me put that foam through my hair.
Pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, and slow that shit down on the cat. Slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust down on the cat. Oh, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down.
The final step in this process would be to take my wand and just again press down on that parting to make sure I have no flyaways. You guys saw I put some blasting free spray on there as well, so this is just gonna help keep everything in place and again define my parting so that it looks snatched.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, become a part of the family. It is so fun and Litmus Christmas on this channel, so definitely do go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now.